Okay, we have a hard disk 3.0, that's blue light. Now we also have a flash drive 2.0. We also have a mouse over here, and also we have a projector on the wall. So that's it's kind of, you know, everything. And also the Type-C PD function, we can charge the computer in the same time. It's like this. Okay, let me get the cable. Okay, this cable is here. We can give it the power. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, now it's charging 91. Yes. So this kind of everything can be used here. Yeah, it's 3 point. And you can see my hard disk is showing on the. This is my hard disk 3.0 and also 2.0 flash drive. Everything here. Yes. Okay, now we start shifting. Why it's 3.0 is blue light, and then we can change here with 2.0. You can see the light will indicate different. Indicate the. 开始了吗? Okay, the blue light, that means it's 3.0. You can see here it's 3.0 now here, and then we change to be 2.0. The light will be changed, so it's like this, right? It's a white light, and 3.0 is a blue light. That's my Toshiba hard disk. So it's have both. It's have a 3.0 USB and have 2.0 USB. Okay.